Hello class, this is the first of many videos that we will be seeing for the second half of this class. So, first things first, make sure you've opened up Visual Studio. Now I'm currently running Visual Studio 2017, and if you hear a fan running in the background, please remember that I am running two operating systems on the same laptop and running screen recording software. The computer might need to cool down. So, first things first, whenever you start something, we're going to go to File, and we're going to make ourselves a new project, which of course is Control plus N. Same thing as it always is. New project, and it will ask you a few things. Now I'm just going to go with a Windows Form app .NET framework here because that's generally what you guys will have. If you do not have a Windows Form app option, please find a computer that does. This is why I split the room in half. Now, before you hit OK, though, name it something. For example, I will name this my name, and I'll name this Example1. Therefore, I'll actually have a name for it. Because you know how many times I get, Project 1, Project 2, Project 3, Project 4, Project 5, so on and so forth. Please name it something that is actually recognizable as yourself. This will also help to prevent plagiarism. And we'll hit OK. And once it loads up, it's creating the project. And this is what you'll wind up seeing. You'll have your toolbox over here, your data sources, your Solution Explorer properties. Of course, if you can't find any of these things, there will be in the View option over here. You've got Solution, Toolbox, Toolbars, Full Screen Code, Designer, so on and so forth, in case you can't find anything. But first things first, I'm going to wind up saving this. So I'm going to File, and I'm going to Save All. Why am I going to save all? Because there can be multiple tabs up here on the top, and I want to save everything. So I'll Save All, and it's going to ask me, hey, where do I want to save this? And remember, what's the name of it? And what's the solution name? And of course, I'll be putting it on a location, browse, wherever I want to put it. I'm going to put it right now in, well, let me find what I want. I'm just going to put this on my desktop for the time being, just to make this easier. And I'll hit Select Folder. So now it's going to my desktop, and I'll save. Now, the other thing, once I find where this is on my desktop now, yes, here it is. I will go over here. So here it is. Here's my folder right here on my desktop. And this up here is my control center telling me that I'm using my second operating system. But I'm just going to double-click this folder because here's what you're going to wind up seeing. You're going to wind up seeing two things, most likely, when you save one of these files. You're going to see a solution, and you're going to see a folder, and that folder is going to have a bin, your project designer, your form. You're going to have all these application apps. You're going to wind up having these debug and release stuff, so on and so forth. I need both of these, the solution and the folder, submitted through Moodle. The solution, this .sln folder, this .sln file, all that is the glue. It is the glue that puts everything inside this folder together. If you only give me the glue, well, thank you, but there's nothing else here that I can actually put together. If you only give me the stuff in this folder, well, then you've given me all the parts, but you haven't put it together. So I need both these parts. Now, how am I going to get both those parts? Well, if you notice, both of these should be inside another folder. So I want you to right-click that folder. Oh, once I actually right-click it. Come on. You're going to make me, because I'm in the other operating system. Okay, well, I'm not having the ability to right-click right now because I'm currently running 2 operating systems at the same time. But you're going to right-click this folder right here, and you're going to go to Send to Compress. And when you do that, you will see another folder pop up, one that will have a zipper on it. That is the zipped folder. It will have all these things inside of it, but it will be submitted through as one file in Moodle. So please give me that.